Are you tired of the hard work it takes to develop real spiritual abilities? Do you think that something should fix all your problems without you having to do any work? Do you want to instantly become a spiritual master? Then my latest album is for you, Clyde's Music to Ascend To. Just listen to these intense meditational melodies. You said you were ascending, but you're really just condescending. And who could forget this classic? Please stop calling me every time you see 11, 11, 11. This collection includes all of your favorites. Where'd you put that crystal? Vegans just don't know they like meat. This new moon ritual is not for me. No one cares that you're a Scorpio or a Cancer. How about you manifest some boundaries? Just 'cause she's a mess don't make her psychic. And my number one hit? Don't. You'll trigger me. Don't. You'll trigger me. Just listen to this testimonial.
What the heck am I listening to?
Act now, and I'll include my latest hit, Angels Think You Smell. Angels think you smell. Clyde's Music to Ascend To, the soundtrack to your dumpster fire. Order today.